everyone, welcome back to Tomato Blues. Today we are going to look at how to make vegetable pulao using the Instant Pot. So come on, without much further ado, let's get started. Turn on the saute mode after inserting the inner pot on normal heat for 7 minutes. To this, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of neutral vegetable oil. You can also use ghee. And then we're going to be adding whole spices. I'm adding 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, half an inch cinnamon stick, 1 small mace and 1 star anise. Along with this, let us add 2 green chilies which has been slit lengthwise. In goes 1.25 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and I'm going to be adding 1 cup finely chopped onions. We are going to be sauteing our onions for about 1.5 to 2 minutes till they turn pink and soft. I'm going to be using a silicone ladle today. These are my newfound loves. They do not scratch the inner surface of the pot in which you're cooking. So like I said, I'm going to be sauteing the onions till they turn pink and soft. Once they are pink and soft, like you see here, I'm going to go in and add 1.25 teaspoons of salt. This is the salt that we needed for this quantity of pulao. You can also adjust the salt as per your liking. Now, let us add 10 to 12 mint leaves. If you do not have fresh mint, you can always add half a teaspoon of crushed dried mint. Now, let us also add our veggies. I am going to be adding 1/4 cup of green peas. I've used frozen. You can also use fresh green peas. Along with this, half a cup cubed carrots and half a cup of finely chopped French beans. We're not going to overcook our veggies today. We're going to just give it a short saute cooking. So I'm going to saute this on normal mode, normal heat for like 1.5 minutes. Once it's done, we're going to go in and add our rice. So I washed 1 cup of Basmati rice and soaked it in 1.25 cups of water for 10 minutes. Add all of that into the pot and mix well. We're going to allow the water to begin boiling for like 1 to 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, let us add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and some aromatic pandan extract or screwpine extract or Kewra pani. I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon today. This is optional but highly recommended. This will give you a very typical restaurant-like vegetable pulao at home. Mix all that well and then I'm going to go in and check my sealing ring and close the lid, set the wall to sealing. Whenever you close your Instant Pot, make sure that your sealing ring is in the correct place. Now let us go to the timings. Today I'm going to be cooking this on pressure cooker mode, low pressure for 5 minutes. We're going to allow this cooking cycle to fully complete, and once it is complete, we're going to allow a natural pressure release. That is, we are going to wait for the pressure pin to drop on its own. This took about 18 minutes for me. So now the pressure pin has dropped. Let's open it and let's go in with the ladle and fluff our pulao gently. You can see how beautifully fluffy and soft and perfectly cooked our Instant Pot vegetable pulao looks like. Mix it well, and today I'm going to be serving this with some cucumber raita and dal makhani. You can serve it with any curry of your choice. For more curry ideas, do not forget to visit tomatoblues.com. There are also many more Instant Pot recipes on our blog, tomatoblues.com. Let's serve it up. For a closer look for all of you. And that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. In case you liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We'll catch you all more in another video very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.